Hey, in this video, I will actually show you how to get an invisible name on TikTok, and it's the same thing on an Android device and on an iPhone. So if you appreciate me making the video, you can actually show your support by liking it for the YouTube algorithm, subscribing if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, why don't you let me know in the comment section down below? I would love to help you out. So the first thing you want to do is go on TikTok. And as you can see right now, I have a name. It says Dr. Nikki, but we want to make an invisible name. So you want to click on Edit Profile, click on Name, and here you want to delete the name that you have. And instead of that, you actually want to go to the link I have in the description. It's actually a pastebin file. And it seems like there's nothing, but it's actually a space. It's a special character that lets you, when you copy it, it's basically the invisible name. So you just copy this, paste it here, click save, go back. Look at that, there's no name here. Let me just show you what it should be. If you have a name, it should be like this. Dr. Nikki, go back. I have a name again. If this video helped you out, give me a like. I want to see you next one. Bye.